Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you two M4 MacBook Air. Now you can see this is same specification but a different color. This is sky blue. This is starlight. You can see, and I show you the spec because this is a new one, so I need to mask the series number. Okay, let me show you. This is M4 16-inch and 256 gigabyte storage and 30-inch. And also you can see the part number MC624LLA means this is a US version. US version. Okay, and I show you. This is opened. Okay, and you can see this color. Also, you can see what inside. Okay, the brand new cable and wait a minute. The cable and the charger, the brand new charger. I'll show you. You can see the charger. Okay, 30 watts USB-C power adapter. It's original with box. This price about 5,600. And this is the color, and this is the starlight. You can see the machine, and so this is the machine. You can see this is shining machine. Beautiful color. Okay. Beautiful color. Also US version. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. And here I show you this charger. Okay, this charger and the cable. Okay. The charger. Okay, it's original one. Okay, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, these two machines, different color, same specification. Okay, see you in the next video.